PGT Chemistry from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Barwasena, Betia. In previous classes, we learned about the classification of haloalkane and haloarenes. Having learned the classification of halogenated compounds, let us now learn how these are named. So, today we study about the IUPAC nomenclature of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Alkyl halides, which is common name, are named as halo-substituted hydrocarbon. It means we should write IUPAC name of hydrocarbon by which halogen attached, and name of halogen should write before name of hydrocarbon, halo as prefix before name of hydrocarbons. That is haloalkane. Also give positional value of halogen in compound. We learn about the IUPAC nomenclature of the haloalkanes and haloarenes by some examples. I can try to write the IUPAC naming of the given structure of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. In first example, chlorine attached with the hydrocarbon containing 3 carbon. From left side, in chain, chlorine attached with the 3rd carbon, but from right side, chlorine attached with the 1st carbon. So according to IUPAC nomenclature method, we should give the first position or least position of the halogen in compound. So chlorine at the 1st carbon in chain, so the IUPAC name of that compound is 1-chloropropane. In second case, that chlorine attached with the 2nd carbon, so its name will be 2-chloropropane. In third example, the carbon chain containing carbon compounds containing 5 carbon, but the longest chain is only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And bromine attached with the 2nd carbon. So the 1 carbon chain is the branch chain, and it is named as 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. We give list position of the halogen as well as should write prefix halo, chloro, bromo, iodo. In alphabetically, B before the M, so we write 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. In fourth example, the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 carbon chain as branch chain linked with 3rd carbon atom. So this is named as 2-chloro 3,3-dimethyl butane. 2-chloro 3,3-dimethyl butane, because 2 branch chain having 1 carbon atom called methyl and di as prefix for the number of methyl group attached with compounds. In fifth examples, chlorine attached with the carbon chain that look like the branch chain in compounds. The longest carbon chain is 7, but chlorine is attached with the carbon that is in branch chain, but practically it is not branch chain because functional group attached in the parent chain. So we give the positional value for that carbon by which chlorine attached is the first 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 in both sides. The longest carbon chain is 5, so the name longest chain 7 carbon, but chlorine attached with branch chain, so that carbon chain in longest chain now only 5 chain in longest. I have pasted name 1 chloro 2 propyl because branch chain containing 3 carbon, 2 propyl pentane, not 4 chloro methyl heptane. It is wrong. In sixth examples, compound containing the more than one chlorine atom. So both chlorine atom in longest chain and longest chain is only 5 carbon. So we give the least position for the branch chain. From this side, the branch chain at second position, but from this side, branch chain is at fourth position. So we should count from this side, and name is 1,5,1,5 dichloro. Di is prefix for the number of halogen atom in the compound, in the chain. So 1,5 dichloro 2 ethyl pentane is correct, not 1,5 dichloro 4 ethyl pentane, because we give counting from this carbon to that carbon. Because position of X both sides same, but position of branch chain both sides different. Hence least position of ethyl group at second position. So it is correct name is 1,5 dichloro 2 ethyl pentane. In this compound, two functional group, double bond and halogen is present. Firstly, open the condensed chain here. Contain two functional group, carbon-carbon double bond and bromine, which is list. We count from this side. So from left side, position of second bond, double bond is list, but from right side, Br is list. For this type, we give list for double bond. So 3-bromo-prop-1-ene or 3-bromo-propene is the correct name, not 1-bromo-prop-2-ene. Next, example, the double bond is at second carbon as well as the third carbon, respectively from the both sides. From left side, position of C double bond C is second and Br at fourth. But from right side, position of Br at second and double bond at 3. So give list for double bond at second from left side. So correct name is 4-bromo-pent-2-ene. But in next example, double bond and halogen both are present, but from right side, bromine at the first position and double bond at second position. But from left side, double bond at second position and bromine at fourth position. So gives list for bromine. In comparison of both double bond and bromine, which have the least position, we should prefer the least positional value in the compound. So 1 bromo but 2 in is the correct name. In haloarenes, the halogen attached with the benzene ring, ortho, meta and para. Ortho, meta, para. Should write only in common name, but in IUPAC name we should give numeral number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 halogen attached with benzene ring. From this side, position of halogen 1, 2 and 4, 7. But from this side, 1, 4, 6, 11. So list positional value from this side and the correct name of the compound will be 1,2,4 trichlorobenzene. In this case, halogen as well as branch chain both are attached. So we give list position for halogen and that position is first. So methyl attached with the second carbon and the name will be 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene. But this case is completely different from them. Halogen attached with the open carbon chain. So the longest carbon chain is ethyl and benzene ring is a substituted group. So the halogen is at first position 1. 2 at 2 position phenyl group is attached. So the correct name is 1-chloro-2-phenyl ethane. Now after learning these topics, a student should practice for writing the IUPAC name of these compounds given in the in-text, out-text and exercise questions in NCERT books. The homework of that topics is complete the in-text, out-text and exercise questions based on the nomenclature and structure in NCERT books.